Good evening. This is the Zombie Research Institute of Georgia. We're coming at you today with a breakthrough in the zombie research. Today's breakthrough that we've come through is zombie sounds. While normal zombies tend to just moan, our breakthrough zombies, we found out that they can not only moan, but growl, scream, screech, and other noises. We will be giving you a follow-up as soon as we're able to make any more breakthroughs. As of right now, please enjoy this video of the sounds that we have gathered.